Hello everyone, my name is Priya and welcome back to our channel Study Buddy Canada, where we explore best of everything. So if you are an international student and a work permit holder, so you are planning to get PR, so you are on a right place, because in today's video I'm gonna share that how you can calculate your CRS score. So without wasting any time, let's get start the video. As we all know about the fluctuation in CRS score, but recently the CRS score is more than 500. So for those people who are planning to apply for a PR, so they have to be very careful about the factors which are very important while apply for a PR regarding your CRS scores. So there are four main factors which plays very crucial role for CRS score. So let's talk about that. So the number one factor is age. If you are a 30 plus, you will lose 5 points every year. So you have to make sure that you applying before 30 plus. So you have to make sure it if you don't want to lose your CRS score in this particular factor. So the number two factor is work experience. For express entry, minimum work experience should be 1 year, and you are eligible to apply for PR. But if you are an international student, you should have at least 2.5 years of work experience. After that, you are eligible to apply for PR. But there are some students who make mistake, most probably here, like after 1 year or 1.5 years of experience, they try to put their file for a PR. So for that reason, they do not get any invitation. So the third factor is education. So according to the level of education, for example, you have a bachelor, you have a master degree, even if it is a Canadian education, you will get the point accordingly. So there is a one recommendation to all the students who are planning to come Canada as a student. You have to be very careful while choosing your program. For example, you take 1 year of program, then you are eligible to get 1 year of work experience. But if you get 2 year of program, you eventually you will get 3 year and up to 3 year of work experience in Canada. So this is a very important thing, because at the end for CRS points you need this thing which is important. Dedicated team will definitely help you. You can contact with us if you want to extend your study permit. You can send us email on apply@studybuddycanada.com. Our team will definitely help you to provide the relevant program in Canada. Last but not least, the language proficiency. This factor is very important. Why? Because increasing number of age you can't stop. Even you have any bachelor degree or the master, or you don't even have a intermediate certification. So the time is gone. You cannot do anything. But in the language, you can do everything, because it is a present time. You can learn if you have a learning attitude. So make sure if you are lacking here, you can improve your language skills, and you will need most probably 8777 in general Ielts to get the best CRS score for apply Canada PR. So yes guys, these were all the factors which are very important when you try to calculate your CRS score. So if you need any help, you can contact with us, and do not forget to subscribe our channel Study Buddy Canada. Thank you so much. Bye bye.